Welcome to QTech's NDT project management system. In this video, we will explore how the NDT request can be made by the client and the client's contractors. To make the NDT request, visit the website ndtpms.qtechgroup.org. Log in with your username and password. Upon successful login, by default, the system takes you to the new request page. If you are in any other page, click on the new request menu to make a new NDT request. First of all, the default option of planned work is selected. If there are any other urgent requests that needs to be executed within 4 days, then choose appropriate option of urgent or normal request. Select expected completion date for this request. Choose department. Select equipment and select location. Select main business unit followed by the sub business unit. Depending on the main business unit, the sub units will be loaded and choose the appropriate one. Choose event type. Enter tag number, component ID. These are not mandatory. Select the acceptance criteria. One more acceptance criteria can be selected as well. If the acceptance criteria is not available, then choose others in the drop down and enter the acceptance criteria. Select method. All the methods are available in the list. If any of the RT is selected, additionally joints needs to be entered. Select rope access is required or not. Select unit of measurement. Enter quantity. Specify scaffolding is required or not. Specify insulation is present or not. To add additional methods, click on the add button. Enter any other remarks, description on the job, including safety precautions. Supporting documents can be attached. Any type of files can be uploaded, such as Excel, PDF. The request can be saved as draft and later further modified and submitted when ready. Once fully ready, click Submit to submit the request. The submitted request will be processed by QTech and the status will be updated online for the user to view. For further details, please contact the NDT team of QTech. Thank you.